Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mariam. Today I share with you how to make healthy suya spice at home. Sit and enjoy the rest of the tutorial. These are the ingredients we are going to use. In this spoon I have salt, I have black pepper already in its powdered form. I also have turmeric powder. This is going to give our suya spice a very rich color. I have cloves here, calabash, nutmeg. I'll be using 4. And the main ingredient today is kulikuli, peanut cake. In this bowl I have 3 spices: onion, garlic, and then ginger. Finally, chili powder. Just take the amount that you want. So we will first crush our kulikuli to make it easy to grind. Okay, so I'll crush it, and there you go. We are going to transfer this into our grinder. So I'll start from the kulikuli. I'll pour everything into the grinder. Then I add the calabash, nutmeg. I add cloves, black pepper, salt, turmeric powder for beautiful rich yellow color, chili powder. Just take the amount that you want. Okay, now I'll take 3 tablespoons of the onion, garlic, and ginger. After that I'll cover it, and then I go and grind this. And we are back, guys. Look at this. Our yaji or suya spice is ready. So simple and easy to make at home. You can also add dried shrimp powder and also Maggi cube. I love to add shrimp powder to my own, but just that I don't have some right now, so I decided to make it without adding the shrimp powder to it. It's not only kebab we enjoy with suya spice. Trust me, it goes well with tubani with some oil on top. This is an excellent combo and I love it. From the northern part of Ghana, we call it tubani. I don't know how you call this food. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Bye y'all.